Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to the new video. In this video, we are going to check the new update of Bloodstrike together. As you all know, Warzone Mobile has added Voltage Mode, which is a bit fake, and I think Bloodstrike is copying from Warzone Mobile, that's why. To add the night mode, and most importantly, the game is supposed to support PS4 control on Android. If it is like this, it will be really good because it is difficult to play with a phone. The new MP5 has been officially confirmed to be in the game. There is only one day left for the release of the new update. The next news is that the map will be optimized. Shutter Island is going to get better. This is a very good point for them. They have a weaker phone and the addition of Lena's character to the game. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for supporting me and subscribing to the channel.
Unstoppable! Taking fire! I'm down!
Taking hits! Enemy spotted! Protection barrier up and running. Enemy spotted! Enemy spotted!
Medic needed! Double kill! Wicked sick!
Enemy hit!
Wait for me to reload.
Taking hit. Watch out!
Enemy spotted! Using a bandage. Enemy spotted!
Using bandage.